Hello children, back to our English class. See children, in second lesson some part is completed but lesson is totally not completed. In textbook page number 13, if you see textbook page number 13, about second lesson. What is our second lesson? Friendship passes through a test. What is our second lesson? Friendship passes through a test. Already you know, lesson is started. Here in this lesson, two friends are there. Who are they? Damon and Pythes. Damon and Pythes. They both are friends. Damon and Pythes. They both are very good friends and up to where completed? See in textbook page number 13, this para is completed. So now up to where completed discussing before lesson. See, Damon and Pythes both are very good friends. Together they used to be happy. When one person is happy, other person is happy. When one person is feeling sad, other person also used to feel sad. They both are very good friends. And one day what happened? Pythes was taken near to a king. So Damon also went there. And the king is what he is saying? Well, you shall be locked up for 1 month. Means the king is saying you are not bowing, you are not bending when I was near to you. You are not giving respect like that king is feeling. So king is ready to give punishment for Pythes. King is ready to give punishment for Pythes. Well, you shall be locked up for 1 month. Means for 1 month I will lock you. Means like a jail. He will be only in one room and that room will be locked. Like that the king is going to give punishment for Pythes. When the month is over, if you still do not go to me, you will be killed. See, after 1 month he will be kept as a locked, like a jail. He will be kept in a room and the room will be locked. After 1 month also, if you are not bending in front of me, I will kill you. After 1 month also, if you are not bending before me, I will kill you. He is saying, king is saying for Pythes. What do you say to that, Pythes? So, what do you say? This is my punishment. What do you say, Pythes? King is asking. I ask only one thing, my king, said Pythes. I ask only one thing. I want to ask only one thing. Please let me go home to see my parents. Please let me go home to see my parents. The Pythes is saying for king, let me go home to see my parents. I want to go home to see my parents, he is saying. Then I shall return. The king laughed. Then I shall return. Let me go to home. Then I shall return. Once give me permission to go to home. I will see my parents and I will return here again. Again I will come back. Pythes is saying that I will come back again. But the king laughed. The king laughed. Why? Because he is in dilemma. Means he is in a confusion. Whether he will come back or he will not come back. Do you take me for a fool? Are you thinking that I am a fool? The king is saying for Pythis, are you thinking that I am a fool? He asked. If I let you go, you will never return. If I send you back to your parents, you will never return. King is saying to Pythis that if I am sending you to home, again you will return. I am a fool to send you. He is saying like that. If I am sending you to near to your parents, you will not return here. He is saying. I will be back soon. Pythis promised. He is promising. I will back soon. I will come back soon. He is saying. Pythis is saying for king. But your promise means nothing to me. Your promise means, see, Pythis is giving promise for king. Compulsory I will return. This is my promise. Once I will go near my parents and I will see them and I will return. He is saying. But here king is not believing. If I will send you there, you will not return again. So your promise, I will not care your promise. I will not believe you. I will not believe your promise also, said the king. Then Damon stepped before the king. I will take his place, said Damon. See, Damon, who is Damon? Friend of Pythis. He stepped towards the king. He came forward and talking to the king. I will take his place. That means instead of Pythis, I will be, please lock me. Please put me like in a room and lock me. He is saying, instead of Pythis, I will stay there. I will take his place, said Damon. You may lock me up. You may lock me. You lock me, he is saying. The king was very surprised. He was shocked. King is surprised. He is shocked. If Pythis does not return, you will be killed in his place, he told Damon. See, instead of Pythis, Damon is ready to take his place. But if Pythis is not returning from his home, I will kill you. If Pythis is not coming back, I will kill you. Who is saying? The king is saying all these words to Damon. Pythis is my best friend, said Damon. He is my best friend. Pythis is my best friend. He will return in time. So I will believe my friend. He will return in time. So Pythis left for home and Damon was locked up. So instead of Pythis, Damon is ready to take his place. Damon was locked and Pythis went to his home. 2 weeks passed. See, for 1 month you will have total 30 days. 30 days means nearly 4 weeks. 30 days it is equals to 4 weeks. Nearly it is 4 weeks. Means for 1 week you are having 7 days. For 1 week you are having 7 days. For 1 month you are having 30 days. 2 weeks passed. 2 weeks. Already 2 weeks completed. That means 2 weeks means 1 week 7 days. 2 weeks means 14 days. Already 14 days is completed, passed. Then 3 means that means 2 weeks are over. 3rd week. Now it is 3rd week. But there was no sign of Pythis. Means there is no response from Pythis. There is no reply from Pythis. What Pythis said? I will go to my home. I will see my parents and I will soon come back, he said first. But now it is 2 weeks is passed. For 1 month 30 days, 1 week 7 days, 2 weeks 14 days is completed. But still now there is no response from Pythis. On the last day, the king sent for Damon. Now it is the last day. Now the last day came. So on that last day, the king sent for Daman. The king sent one person near to Daman. You will now be killed in the place of Pythes. Now I am ready to kill you. What is before what they discussed? In the place of Pythes, Daman is ready to stay. But if Daman is not coming back, the king is ready to kill Daman. If Pythes is not coming back, the king is ready to kill Daman. Now the last day came. There is no response or no reply from Pythes. So on that last day, the king sent one person near Daman and he is ready to kill Daman. You will now be killed in the place of Pythes, said the king. Now I will kill you in the place of Pythes. Do you still believe in him? Still. Now I am ready to kill you. Are you still, up to now also, are you really believing your friend? Still you are believing your friend Pythes? He is questioning. Yes, I do. Yes, I believe my friend. Who said I believe my friend? These words are said by Daman. And I am ready to be killed for him. And I am ready to be killed. Means I am ready to sacrifice his life. Daman is ready to sacrifice his life for his friend. He is ready to sacrifice. He is ready to kill instead of Pythes. So that much he is giving value for his friend. Okay children, this is enough for today. We will continue the remaining after another class. Okay children, thank you.